it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free.
Hello guys and welcome back. So it has been a minute since I picked up my vlogging camera, but I feel like I've done so much today already. I went to my workout this morning, I did my journal / meditation, and I also filmed a couple of videos for you guys to see in the next couple weeks because I am going on a trip tomorrow. And I also just finished a call with the brand which went really well, so I'm excited for that. And since I'm basically kind of done with what I needed to really do today, aside from like, you know, answering emails as they come in throughout the day, I am going to dedicate the rest of my day to packing because I leave tomorrow, guys. I leave tomorrow and I haven't really packed. And speaking of packing, I want to show you guys the pieces that I got from Revolve recently because they are so cute and they are perfect for my trip. And I just want to say thank you so much to Revolve for sponsoring today's video or for gifting these pieces. I feel like this collab has been a long time coming and I can't tell you enough how many times I've manifested working with Revolve, and it is here on my birthday month, guys, on my birthday month. So I'm feeling a little powerful here. So one of the pieces that I got from Revolve is actually this little lingerie / like sleepwear set, but I actually plan on wearing the top as like a going out top because it's just too cute for not anyone to see it, you know? This is what it looks like. It comes with this baby doll top that you just tie in the middle, and it has this little scallop lace detailing which I love, and I just love the really dainty straps to it. And it also came with a matching bottom which is super cute. It's definitely perfect for sleeping or lounging around the house, but for the top, I personally don't have a problem with wearing it out to the public. Up next, I picked up this white square cut rib top right here, and I feel like this is gonna be my go-to summer top because you can easily just wear this with high-waisted shorts or regular shorts, mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, linen pants, like nice trouser pants, whatever it may be. I feel like there's just so many different bottoms that you can choose this from, and that's the beauty of having like simple yet versatile tops because you're able to like mix and match them, style them however you want with different bottoms. And this is just what it looks like. I love the little square cuts on the front. This is from the brand Super Down, and speaking of the top, I can actually wear it with this pair of jean shorts. This is from Girlfriend, and I love Girlfriend denim. I actually own a couple of Girlfriend denim shorts already, and I have like one pair of jeans, and they're my go-to denim shorts. They are very comfortable, so I just picked up this one right here. But also I am a sucker for buttons that like goes all the way up like this, like not just like one on the waistline, like they have to go up. I don't know why, I just like them a lot better like that. Moving on to bikinis, because you know that this is not a Farina haul without bikinis. I picked up this gorgeous mint green crochet bikini, and I know she looks a little crazy right now with all the strings, but it is a gorgeous piece, guys. Moving on to the next bikini, I picked up this gorgeous like beige shimmery bikini, and this is what it looks like. It's super nice. Last but not least, I picked up a pair of heels or wedges for me to use all summer long. So I picked up this beautiful crochet wedges, and this one right here, this part right here is all crochet, guys, and this one is like rattan. I think that's like what you call this one, but it is a gorgeous pair of wedges. That concludes my little Revolve haul. If you guys want to check them out, or if you want to check out the pieces that I showed in this video, all of the product links will be in the description box down below. Again, thank you so much to Revolve for gifting this. Honestly, this is a dream, and I'm so excited to be a Revolve ambassador at a time of emergency.
my stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as is.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you are mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down, would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me?
Hello guys, we are at one of my favorite Thai food restaurants in Hollywood. It's called Hoika. I have some, what is this, pork?
Yeah.
Pork and spinach.
Have you seen her dog?
No, it hasn't.
It's basically ulam. Hello guys, good morning. So I brought my vlogging camera only to find out that the camera is dying. I didn't bring my extra charger. So we're gonna be vlogging my phone and I'm gonna take my grad pics today. I'm so excited. And this is the fit, guys. Here we go. Hello guys and welcome back to the vlog. I just got home from my workout and the post office, and then I also stopped by Trader Joe's. After doing that what I eat in a week video, I was like, oh my god, like I didn't realize how often I was eating out. So just to be on the safer side and also, you know, to save some money, I've decided to cook more at home and obviously eat more home cooked meals. So that's why I stopped by at Trader Joe's. First things first, I got these beautiful 5-stem peony. I can never pronounce this. First thing I have is the Trader Joe's Green Goddess dressing. This is the avocado green onion and it has lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. This is also vegan, which is nice. I've heard a lot of great things about this one, so I'm excited. And my mom also like got this bag of salad. Up next, I picked up the ube tea cookies. These are purple yam shortbread cookies, and I have been looking for this every Trader Joe's near me, and they're either out of it or just not available. And when I saw this at my local Trader Joe's, I was like, okay, we're we're taking it. So I'm excited. I heard these are really, really good, and they're just like super easy to munch on while I'm like editing or something. Next one is this organic bone broth. It is good for digestion and gut health. It may support immune function, it may support joint health, it may help promote sleep, and it may be anti-aging. And then I also picked up the avocado tzatziki dip. This is really, really good to mix with the chicken shawarma that I'm about to show you guys. But yeah, I've been craving it. I did like a little recipe a while ago that I found on TikTok, and it was really, really yummy. So I am back on my BS. And to go with the chicken shawarma, I also picked up a garlic spread dip. This is also really good. And then I got the shawarma chicken thighs. This is what it looks like. You can cook it in your oven. It's also really good as like a meal prep, because if you just cook it all at once, and then you can fill in like your little toppings throughout the week. And then of course I had to get some salmon. I am probably gonna cut this into 4. So today is Tuesday. I can eat this Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So yeah, just got salmon. I love getting my salmon from Trader Joe's. I think they're super, super easy and not expensive at all. These are my favorite wellness shots. I get the Mighty C Acerola Cherry. This is what it looks like. I also got the vitamin D and zinc shot. We got a Mighty Turmeric juice shot. And last but not least, the No Joke ginger juice shot. Wait a minute, I literally bought this and they were still closed. Oh my god. That was so fast. Alright, so this is what it would look like. Here's my salmon. I'm also gonna eat it with this nori seasoned seaweed snack that I got from Costco. This is the sweet and spicy one. They didn't have this the last time I went, so I got this one. So I'm trying to finish this first. And then I have my mushrooms here. I love mushrooms. I have my Tabasco as well as my Japanese mayo that I got from Seafood City. So I'm gonna make this little salmon seaweed taco thing, and that's my lunch.
It's just you.